What's up, guys? Plushberry, and welcome back to another. You're here. Apparently, it says you're here, and we keep on turning into another person. Oh, yay! Anyway, guys, we're gonna escape Cow Obby. I don't think we can spawn any ice lollies, but look at that beautiful cow. Wait for me! No! Okay, then I'll walk. Whoa! Yeah, I don't think it was the best idea to have a pink ice lolly because your ice lolly just went like, just flung out. Oh, is that you, Princess Plushy? I got star stuck in the. I don't think you can milk the cow. You turned into a cow. No, look, Princess Plushy, I'm riding the cow. No, wait for me! No, wait for me! We're gonna. Okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes. Yes! No! I could have gotten it. I could have gotten it. I could have gotten that. Where the hell are you, Princess Pushy? Oh, there you are. There you are. Wait for me! Wait for me! Whoa! Oh, yeah, I did it. I made it. I freaking made it. Checkpoint. Okay, I'm just inside the checkpoint. I got my legs stuck inside the checkpoint. Spawn cart. It's free and it's common. I'm on a cart for some weird reason, Princess Plushy. Brum, brum. Sorry, I was on a cart. It just went by accident. I didn't even do anything. I am wearing a motorcycle t-shirt and I hate it. Oh yes, this is a real obby. Oh no, I died. I died. Oh shoot. Yay. Yay. Okay, I'll wait for you over here. But I like obbies. Oh no, I died. Okay, I'm on the third level, I think. I think I forgot to do a checkpoint. I keep on dying. I hate those weird. I hate those spinny things. I'm just gonna destroy them. They're new. Why? You realize you can't do that. Can I unfriend you? Why? Wait, are you on like a different account or something? Do you look different? Players, you don't look different. I haven't unfriended you yet. Yeah, I'm gonna change avatar too. Oh wait, how am I in a different game? I'm in Rainbow Adventure. Oh, I like this music. It's fun. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Oh, Rainbow Slides.